Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the best 5 3D printers in 2023. 3D printing is a technology that allows you to create physical objects from digital models by depositing layers of material on top of each other. It is useful for many purposes such as prototyping, hobbying, education, art, and more. But how do you choose the best 3D printer for your needs and budget? Well, in this video, I'm going to review each of the 5 3D printers that I think are the best in terms of price, performance, features, and quality. Let's get started. The first 3D printer on my list is the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. This is the best overall 3D printer for serious hobbyists and makers who want a reliable, versatile, and high-quality machine. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is an upgraded version of the popular Prusa i3 MK3S, which was already one of the best 3D printers on the market. It has a load cell sensor that ensures trouble-free first-layer printing, a removable magnetic spring steel sheet that makes it easy to remove your prints, and an auto-leveling feature that compensates for any unevenness on the print bed. It can print with various materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, and flexible filaments. It has a print volume of 250 x 210 x 210 mm and a resolution of 50 microns. It costs $899 and comes with a 1-year warranty. The second 3D printer on my list is the XYZ Printing DaVinci Nano. This is the best budget 3D printer for beginners and casual users who want a simple, affordable, and safe machine. The XYZ Printing DaVinci Nano is a compact and easy-to-use 3D printer that has a single-button operation, a removable print bed that makes it easy to clean, and a filament sensor that alerts you when the filament runs out. It can print with PLA only, but it comes with a free spool of filament to get you started. It has a print volume of 120 x 120 x 120 mm and a resolution of 100 microns. It costs $179 and comes with a 6-month warranty. The third 3D printer on my list is the Dremel DigiLab 3D45. This is the best 3D printer for educators and schools who want a professional, robust, and safe machine. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is designed for classroom use, with a fully enclosed chamber that protects the users from hot parts and fumes, a HEPA filter that reduces odors and particles, a touchscreen that makes it easy to control, and a camera that lets you monitor your prints remotely. It can print with PLA, ABS, nylon, and Eco-ABS, which are specially formulated for the Dremel DigiLab 3D45. It has a print volume of 254 x 152 x 170 mm and a resolution of 50 microns. It costs $1,299 and comes with a 1-year warranty. The fourth 3D printer on my list is the Anycubic Photon M3 Resin. This is the best resin 3D printer for rapid prototyping and parts production who want a fast, accurate, and smooth machine. The Anycubic Photon M3 Resin uses LCD-based stereolithography (SLA) technology to cure liquid resin layer by layer with UV light. It has a dual linear rail system that ensures stability and precision, an upgraded UV light source that improves curing speed and uniformity, and an anti-aliasing feature that reduces jagged edges on your prints. It can print with various resins, such as standard, dental, castable, and biocompatible. It has a print volume of 130 x 82 x 165 mm and a resolution of 35 microns. It costs $499 and comes with a 1-year warranty. The fifth and final 3D printer on my list is the Monoprice Voxel. This is the best 3D printer for beginners who want more features and versatility than the XYZ Printing DaVinci Nano. The Monoprice Voxel has a fully enclosed chamber that protects the users from hot parts and fumes, a heated removable print bed that improves adhesion and prevents warping, a filament sensor that alerts you when the filament runs out or breaks, and a touchscreen that makes it easy to control. It can print with PLA, ABS, PETG, wood fill, copper fill, steel fill, and bronze fill. which are more exotic and fun materials than the PLA-only XYZ printing DaVinci Nano. It has a print volume of 150 x 150 x 150 mm and a resolution of 50 microns. It costs $399 and comes with a 1-year warranty. So these are the best 5 3D printers in 2023 that I recommend for different users and purposes. Of course, there are many other 3D printers out there, but I think these are the ones that stand out the most in terms of quality, performance, features, and price. Personally, I would go for the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus because I think it is the most reliable, versatile, and high-quality machine that can handle any project I throw at it. But you may have different needs and preferences, so you should choose the one that suits you best. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.